Hi everyone, it's Angelique here this week to give you your Motivational Minute, where hopefully I will be able to give you a pep talk in a 60-second video. Now, if there's one thing I can say is true about pursuing a writing career, is there are a lot of things that we cannot control. We can't always control when we have time to write. We can't always control if once we do get something written and get it published, if readers are going to love it and it's going to be a success and it's going to help us jumpstart our career. It's just there's a lot of unknowns. And sometimes if we want to take a traditional publishing route, we don't know if what we've written will even get accepted for publication. But despite all those unknowns and those things that we can't control, it's important that we always move forward. So when I find that I struggle with my issues of control, because I like to control every single thing that happens in my life, I have this quote that I like to read to myself. Accept what is, let go of what was, and have faith in what will be. I can easily accept the things that were. I can easily accept how things are right now, but I really struggle with having faith in what will be and just trusting that the future that I want for myself will come to me. So I constantly try to do things that will nudge faith in the direction that I want it to go, but sometimes we just have to learn to breathe, take a step back, and have faith that everything will work out the way it's supposed to be. So be sure to follow our page and check out the links below so that you too can get constant motivation and inspiration from our channel. And we hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.